Hi naturals, welcome to the channel. My name is Dima. Please, if you're new, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, kindly tap on that red button that says subscribe on your interface. Also tap the bell icon next to it so you could be notified on our future videos. Also give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and lastly, please share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching it. On this channel, I share a lot of natural, amazing hair growth remedies for hair length, thickness, and health. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 things that I gave up for a healthy, thicker, natural hair. And I'm going to be sharing that with you. If that looks like what you're interested in watching, please keep watching. Ensure you watch this video to the end. Welcome back. So the first thing that I gave up to maintain a healthy, luscious and voluminous natural hair is to stop braiding my hairline. I stopped braiding this hairline, these baby hairs. These baby hairs are not to be braided. I was braiding my baby hair before. I was wrong. I felt that braiding my baby hair will make it grow very long. Little did I know that I was wrong. So I had to stop it. I usually talk to my stylist each time I visit the salon. I tell them that I do not want you to braid my hairline. I do not want you to braid my baby hair, and I will warn them before they start, and I will instruct them to give an inch from the starting point of my baby hair to the point where they are to braid. I will ask them to give me an inch space from my baby hair to the point where they are supposed to start braiding, so that way my hairline, my baby hair is protected, my baby hair is intact, my baby hair is not snagged, my baby hair is not pulled out. So that is how I maintain these full edges. I'm not bald, my edges are intact. The second thing that I gave up to maintain a healthy natural hair is gels. I gave up gels just to maintain a healthy natural hair. So gels contain alcohol, and alcohol make your hair stiff and hard. It also makes your hair flaky and all of those. So you have to avoid the use of gel if you must maintain a healthy natural hair. Since I returned natural, I could count how many times I've used gel in my hair, even to lay my edges or to apply on my hair. I gave that up totally. I stopped using gels on my hair because of how this can badly affect my hair. I had to stop using that because using that to lay your edges can actually affect your edges and cause it to be bald because of the harsh ingredients used in formulating these gels. So instead of gels, I suggest you use castor oils. Castor oil is thick and they are very good for your edges. They are very good for hair growth. So you can use castor oil to lay your edges. You can apply castor oil as your gel. Castor oil is very good for the hair and is thick as well. So you can actually use that on your hair without causing any harm to your hair. My tip to you is that if you must grow a healthy hair, you should avoid the use of gel. And if you must use gel, you should wash it off immediately after use. Let's say you use gel in the morning just to style your hair for the day. Once you come back, make sure to wash that off. That way you're protecting your hair. Do not leave gels in your hair overnight, because if you do, they will cause harm for your hair. If you must use gels, use it with caution. If you use it in the morning, make sure to wash it off before the next day so that your hair can thrive. The next thing that I give up for a healthy hair is Ghana weaving or Ghana braids. Ghana weaving or Ghana braids is actually a form of protective style here in Africa that we use extensions to make. We use extensions to make this hairstyle. They are usually called pencil braids, banana braids, or Cherokee braids. This is what we call them here in Africa. I will try to insert it on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. Whichever you call it, I gave that up for a healthy hair. Hairstyle is dangerous. That hairstyle, fear that hairstyle, because that hairstyle looks so beautiful and amazing when newly installed, but after a while, once it's old and it's time for you to take them down, nothing causes hair shedding and breakage than that hairstyle. So you would hardly see me get those hairstyles. I gave that up for a healthy hair. You can never catch me wearing Ghana braids or all those pencil braids. So if you must have a healthy hair, if you want your hair to thrive, if you want your hair to grow optimally, avoid some certain hairstyles. This is one of them. That hairstyle is not so good for natural hair, and you know that our kinky curls are prone to breakage due to the bonds in between the curls. That style is too tight for our kinky hair, so I suggest you thread with caution when getting your protective styles. I totally gave that up for a healthy hair. If you can tell the truth, you know that that hairstyle is not so good for natural hair. Hairstyle causes a lot of tension due to how they are being made, because you have to pick your extensions bit by bit while you braid. That way you're tightening the hair, you're tightening the hair. So that hairstyle causes a lot of tension, and that can lead to excessive hair breakage and shedding. Is not so good. My tip to you, try to get any other form of cornrows that are loose enough and that can be protecting for your hair growth. That's not, to me, that's not a protective style. Anything that causes shedding while you're taking them down, any hairstyle that causes you to lose a lot of hair while they are being taken down, is not a protective style. It's normal for us to shed 100 strands of hair a day, but when you shed more, something is wrong somewhere. So these are the little things that we neglect and do that causes our hair to shed and causes our hair not to grow as it ought to grow. Because why not? You can eat your cake and have it. You can make all those tight styles that look so cute on the eyes, and at the end of the day you have your hairs on the floor to pack. That's not nice. So I gave that up for a healthy hair. You can never ever catch me wearing that style. My tip to you, wear a loose hairstyle, wear a loose cornrows instead of getting the pencil weaving. The next thing that I gave up to maintain a healthy hair is use of rubber bands. I no longer use rubber bands to hold my hair in place or to style my hair, because there is no how you will use rubber band to hold your hair without seeing your hair wrapped around the rubber bands. It's not possible, not possible at all. Instead of rubber bands, I go for hair scrunchies, satin scrunchies. These are safe for hair, for styling hair or holding your hair in place or getting your puff or bun. These are amazing and they are safe. You can never get your hair wrapped around them. So not just that hair wraps around them, they actually cause invisible shedding that you may not see at the point, but much later you see your hair shedding so much. You wouldn't know that that was as a result of the rubber band that you used. So rubber bands are not so good because of the elastic. As it stretches, it wraps your hair around it, and as you're taking it down, always have your hair coiled up on them, and which causes excessive shedding and breakage. So I gave that up for a healthy hair. My tip to you: avoid the use of rubber bands in your hair because they are dangerous. They can cause a lot of shedding for you. Next thing that I gave up for a healthy hair is use of dyes and colors or temporal colors, whichever you like to call it. I don't color my hair. I love how black my hair is. I love my natural hair color. I don't intend to color it or to dye it in the future. I don't intend to do that. I love the color of my hair, my natural hair color, and I'm fine with it. I don't think I will ever color my hair, be it temporal or permanent. I've gotten a lot of offers from brands to use their temporal hair colors. I turned down this offer countless times because I don't think they are necessary. They are not necessary to use because I believe that dyes and colors are meant for wigs and weaves and not for your natural hair. I don't believe that dyes are made for natural hair. So I don't ever color my hair because all these are chemicals. They use chemical to make all these hair dyes and colors you see. They claim that temporal hair colors are natural, that the ingredients are safe for natural hair. But to me, anything that has the ability to color your hair is not safe for your hair. Natural hair colors and dyes, they contain chemicals. They can cause your hair to be coarse, hard, and stiff. So, and that leads to excessive shedding and breakage. And when that happens, your hair damages over time. So, I don't ever use temporal hair colors and dyes on my hair. I gave that up for a healthy hair. No matter how beautiful they may look, I love to see it on people, but I don't love to get them on my hair. So for me to maintain a healthy hair, I gave that up. The last thing that I gave up to maintain a healthy hair is use of relaxers. For 4 years now, I've never used relaxer on my hair. For 4 years and counting. For 4 years now, I've never put chemical relaxers in my hair, and I don't think I will ever do that again. That I have volume in my hair today is because I gave up relaxers. I stopped relaxing my hair. My hair became voluminous since I returned natural. Before, when I was relaxed, my hair is always sparse and limp. So since I gave up relaxers, my hair gained volume and became thick and healthy. I have some volume in my hair today because I returned natural. What these chemical relaxers does is that they change your curl pattern and they also change your hair color. So I gave that up just to maintain a healthy hair, and I'm loving how healthy my hair is and my hair's volume. Please share with me in the comment section what you gave up for a healthy hair. And if you did not give up anything for a healthy hair, I think it's time you considered giving up some things just for you to grow a healthy natural hair. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you watched up to this point, please kindly comment hi for me in the comment section below, and I will be glad to reply you. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you in my next video shortly.